Hi! I just finished my one-day Realign Yourself retreat with Amanda Jane Retreats, and damn, I feel good. I'm an entrepreneur and a travel writer, so for me, taking the time to do a full one-week retreat really isn't realistic. So when I found that Amanda Jane Retreats does a one-day retreat, I was stoked. To be able to get all the benefits of a week-long retreat in just one day was amazing. I almost didn't believe it was possible until I finished this whole experience. Amanda Jane's retreat felt balanced physically, emotionally, spiritually, and socially. I got everything that I needed in one pretty little package. We started with homemade yummy jamu shots, then we moved on to yoga under the palm trees, some gratitude talks with some extremely inspirational speakers, lots of socializing, sisterhood, and we finished the retreat with a beautiful Balinese ceremony by a traditional healer here in Bali. I'm now walking away with gratitude for the practices that I learned in this one-day retreat, practices that I'm already applying to my new, bright, beautiful life. I'm leaving this retreat feeling like my life has pivoted. Seriously, I walked in, I really am. I really am leaving this retreat feeling like my life has pivoted. I'm leaving with new friends, new mentors, a new connection to Bali, and a new connection to myself and the gratitude that I have for everyday little things that I've been taking for granted. I also really love that Amanda Jane has kept this retreat affordable. If I go to a yoga class, a healer, to lunch, to a gratitude session, it would cost well over the package that Amanda Jane has put together for this one-day Realign Yourself retreat. It's affordable, it's fun, it's quick. I'm definitely gonna be back for another retreat. Thank you, Amanda Jane, for bringing together good people, good vibes, and good energy here in Bali. See you in the next retreat.